Delve into the heart of Brazilian home cooking with this extended Bolo de Fuba recipe. A beloved cornmeal cake that's a comforting staple in Brazilian households. Bolo de Fuba is known for its delightful texture and subtly sweet flavor, making it a perfect companion for coffee or as a heartwarming snack. Ingredients: 1 cup of cornmeal fine texture, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds optional, butter for greasing the pan. Instructions: 1. Preheat and prepare. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 F 175 C. Grease a round cake pan or a bun pan with butter and lightly dust it with flour. 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the cornmeal, flour, sugar, and baking powder. Mix these dry ingredients until well blended. 3. Combine wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs, milk, and vegetable oil together until smooth. This mixture will add moisture and richness to the cake. 4. Combine mixtures. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, stirring continuously to create a smooth batter. Avoid overmixing to keep the cake light and fluffy. 5. Add cheese and fennel. Stir in the grated Parmesan cheese and fennel seeds if using. The cheese adds a savory depth, while the fennel seeds impart a subtle, aromatic flavor unique to Brazilian Bolo de Fuba. 6. Bake the cake. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Bake for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the cake is golden brown, and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 7. Cool and serve. Let the cake cool in the pan for a few minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve the Bolo de Fuba warm or at room temperature. Serving suggestions: Bolo de Fuba is delightful when served with a cup of freshly brewed coffee or a glass of cold milk. It's perfect for breakfast, as an afternoon snack, or even as a sweet treat after dinner. Enjoy the extended Brazilian Bolo de Fuba recipe. A simple yet delicious cake that brings a taste of Brazil's culinary comfort to your home. Each slice offers a tender crumb and a harmonious blend of sweet and savory flavors, making it a cherished treat for any occasion.